नमस्कार, इंडिया न्यूज देख रहे हैं आप। आपके साथ मैं हूं रचना। आज रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड की 39वीं सालाना बैठक है। इसी को लेकर मुकेश अंबानी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। सीधा आपको लिए चलते हैं।
Reassures us that we can further augment India's energy security. Each of the above requires significant project management expertise and leadership skills. I have personally focused on strengthening the organization by hiring the right talent from across the world and providing them the systems, processes and tools to make them successful and to institutionalize our culture and value for successful outcomes. Reliance has rewarded shareholders as it has completed its investment cycles and shared prosperity with them. You can be rest assured that this tradition of investment growth and rewards to shareholders will continue. Reliance has had the trust of our shareholders, the commitment of its focused, high caliber and energetic employees, their leadership and the support of several external agencies within and outside the government. This rich endowment gives us the strength and resolve to venture and win. These are not just words of tribute, but a deep and heartfelt expression of gratitude. Dear shareholders, I began my address by pointing out that the Indian economy has currently hit a low growth phase. However, although Reliance takes due note of these challenging times, it remains undeterred by them. We have always seen an opportunity in every adversity, a new opening where others see a closed door. This is because of the three founding principles of Reliance. Firstly, we have since the inception of our company believed in taking long-range and holistic view of businesses. Secondly, from the very beginning, we have built in our company a strong culture of constant learning from first principles and ceaseless improvement for creation of real value. Our single-minded commitment to creating real assets and real value for the company and the country has brought us unique reputation and rich rewards. Thirdly and most importantly, what has always and in the most reliable way propelled our company's growth is our unshakable faith in India. It is my personal conviction that India has the potential to become a global leader, not only in the economic field but also in many other creative fields. By ensuring good education, quality health care and livelihood for all, it is indeed possible to convert India's abundant potential into actual performance. I have no doubt that our ambitious and able youth will bring about this transformation. They are doing so in many ways. For the first time in India's long history, we can leverage the digital and information technologies to improve the quality of life of all our billion-plus people in our great nation. India's transformation will trigger a major transformation of the world order, including the world economic order. And it is in this mega transformation that Reliance wishes to participate. The future is going to be even more exciting than the past. And that is why Reliance will continue to invest in India and its potential. India is our faith. India represents our fortune. With these thoughts and feelings, I would like to take this opportunity to wholeheartedly thank the central and state governments, the governments of all countries where Reliance operates, shareholders, investors, bankers, financial institutions, lenders.
आईएल के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी को आप सुन रहे थे भविष्य की योजनाओं को बताते हुए। साथ ही शेयर होल्डर्स पर उन्हें पूरा भरोसा है और अगले 3 साल में 1.5 लाख करोड़ का निवेश भी वो करेंगे। और कहा यह भी जा रहा है कि आज ही से उनकी तीसरी पीढ़ी भी शामिल हो जाएगी आरआईएल के साथ। उनके मुकेश अंबानी के बेटे और बेटी आकाश और ईशा भी आज से बतौर कर्मचारी ज्वाइन कर लेंगे आरआईएल।